Okay, so we need to use the quadratic formula for this, and it did give way as it asked us to round our answer. So first of all, we've got to work out what a, b and c are. A is the number before the x squared, which is 5. B is the number before the x term, which is minus 6. And c is the number at the end, which is minus 13. So what we're going to do is use the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And we're just going to type it into our calculator, which is the easiest way of doing this. First button to press is the fraction button, and then I'm going to use the negative button, which is above the keys, it's not the takeaway button, and type negative, and then I'm going to open brackets, because I'm going to put the b in brackets, minus 6, so I'm going to use that negative button. Now I could just write 6, and that would give me the same answer. Then plus square root b squared. Now because b is negative, any negative squared is just positive, so I'm just going to type in 6 squared. If you do put minus 6 in, don't forget to put it into brackets, otherwise the calculator will do the 6 squared and then put a negative before it. Take away 4 times a, which is 5, times c, which is negative 13, and I'm going to put that into brackets, negative 13, close brackets. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom of the fraction and type in 2 times 5. When I press equals, it comes up with a surd, so I'm going to press the S to D button, and I've got my first answer, which is 2.32, rounding to 2 decimal places. Then I'm not going to type that all in again. I'm going to use the cursor keys on my calculator to go to where the plus is at the top. I'm going to delete that and change it to a minus. Again, S to D, so that's minus 1.12. There's my 2 answers.